Hey everyone, Technoman here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a bilingual keyboard on your iPhone. So let's get started. First thing is you're going to go into your setting on your iPhone, then go to General, and then scroll down to Keyboard here, and then click on Keyboards here. Now once you get that, you'll see you probably have one language selected. Now in order to make it a bilingual, you simply click on Add a New Keyboard, and then you can look for it or simply search up here. So I'll pick Spanish for example, so selected. Now here's the point where you can add a bilingual keyboard. So if you want the keyboard together on the same way, you want to select the first option. If you want a separate keyboard, right, you'll add a new keyboard. So the way you do bilingual setup is this way. The first option, the second option will just add a new keyboard. So I'll show you what that means. If I click done here and then go back here, now I see that I have a keyboard that's bilingual because it's showing up as English and Spanish at the same time instead of having a second one for Spanish. And then if I go ahead and open up my writer here, I'll see that has changed now. When I type on it, it's going to be different, right? When you do bilingual, you can basically write bilingual stuff and it'll pick up that stuff like that we normally would just have one language. For example, like something like this, you'll see it. If you use bilingual, it'll make sense for you, but you don't have to click on that world icon to see another keyboard like you would when you set up a second keyboard. So that's how you set up bilingual keyboard on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone or iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.